Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. At this point, everyone is in panic situation. I thought of upload a series of videos related to medicinal properties, recipes. Crab have so many medicinal properties. Quickly, let me tell you this simple, easy way of cooking traditional medicinal recipe for crab. Recorded around 4th March 2020. A person who is suffering due to congestion, cold, cough, and common cold can take this crab, which takes out all the mucus and cures the cold and cough and maintains body temperature normal at this situation. The immune system is one of the most important functions of the body at keeping you healthy. Studies have shown selenium to have a direct link to stimulating immune system activity and will act as an antioxidant. This increases your protection against chronic diseases, improves defense system, preventing damage to cells and tissues. I'll upload a video for vegetarians, and I don't eat non-veg every day. I eat very rarely. Follow my Insta account for all the major updates regarding research regarding coronavirus. I'm uploading in my Insta stories. Till this depth, I added the water, and it's like 8 pieces, half pieces, which means 4 crabs. Added 2.5 tablespoon of red chili powder with coriander seed powder mixed homemade, and then turmeric, which is like 1 tablespoon nearly, and 1.5 tablespoon of salt. I boiled it nicely so it's soaking in this juice. I took 15 garlic cloves and I think the size of 2 gingers, and then half of the coconut from this, and 2 green chilies and 5 roughly chopped onions. Grind everything and make it like a paste, fine paste. And I'll make paste of tomatoes also, almost 5 to 4 tomatoes, I think so. Everything is instructed by my mom. Whatever she says, I'm doing it. This is the first time I'm doing a crab kurma, which is our traditional crab kurma. It's an authenticated family recipe. I'm taking kadai. So in this kadai, I'll be adding oil and fine paste. Have made that mixture as a fine paste. So after I'll add this to this kadai, I'll make a tomato paste too, and then after cooking it with, this is a homemade red chili powder with coriander seeds. We bought the turmeric and we ground it at home and we made the powder. And this one is a pink Himalayan salt. I'm using this one only. Apart from this, I'll be using fennel powder and pepper powder. After adding oil, I added 2 tablespoons of fennel powder and then the fine paste of onion, ginger, garlic, coconut, green chili, and then I added tomato paste. After that, I added nearly 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric, and 2 tablespoon of red chili powder. Split it into 2, one homemade and another one is a Kashmiri red chili powder. Before adding coriander leaf, add a 1 tablespoon of pepper powder to this. Our crab masala is ready. This is authenticated our family traditional crab masala, which is passed from generation to generation, and today is the first time I cooked it, and I'm so happy and I'm so blessed that I got opportunity to cook this particular crab masala, and I'm so happy, and it tastes good. Simple ingredients, simple thing, it's so delicious. It's passed from generation to generation in our family. This is a token of love which I am giving to you people. You can also share this with your family. You can also have this delicious crab masala. If you're a non-vegetarian or a pescatarian, you can try this one. Have a great day. Bye bye. God bless you with a healthy life, and this is a perfect recipe for a cold, cough,